All right, welcome. The reason I'm doing this video is because I recently had this issue with my computer, and some of the solutions I found was really helpful when I went here. Event. So I came here because when I started up my computer, it just kept I'll put a video. It kept flickering, like it kept just like it was like an infinite loop. It just didn't like want to load properly. So then I tried shutting it off and then turning it back on, and then I took out the battery and then put it back in, and it still did it. But then for whatever reason, I managed to get it to work and just work normally. But still, right here where you see critical, there was one of them, which is this one, and it was like doing it like quite a bit of times. And one not a bit of times, but like four, because it pretty much tells you how many times within 24 hours or within 7 days, and it just tells you. So you click on it, and then it tells you the times and whatever it might have been, it crashed at that time or that day, and the ID is 41. So what you do is, if you want to look further into this, you can just Google it and just type in event ID number 41, because that's the ID, and then the category is 63. But I guess you don't really need that, but you just put this one, and then but I had another one which was it was like crashing, or I'm not sure what it was doing. It was just like um doing like 300 plus an hour. So I don't think that was normal. And then I figured it out that it was the Simple Pass, because my laptop has the sensor. There's the fingerprint reader. So I had the program Simple Pass. We're gonna sign in, but I figured out that that was the issue. So I had to uninstall it. I haven't reinstalled it yet. So because I figured that that was giving me an issue. Because first, because my laptop came with Windows 8.1, and then there was like this thing where you can get Windows 10 for free if your computer was compatible, and if it was like, I guess, in between that time period. So I did that, and then I started seeing issues with the Simple Pass, and then I had to uninstall it, reinstall it, and then it just kept giving me issues. So then eventually I had to like factory reset my laptop and then go back to Windows 8.1. So it was working fine. And then I think I got updated again, and then it just came with the issue with the Simple Pass again. So I had to, then it came to this, and then yeah, I was Googling, YouTubing, and then it brought me to the videos of people doing this, like checking their event log. But yeah, so what you do, you just go here, just go search if you're playing if you're using one of the, or just go search, go to the start menu, and then just yeah, just go and search for event, and then it'll just be called events, view event logs, and they'll bring you to here. So pretty much from what I got, it's pretty much a summary of everything that goes on, and everything, just pretty much anything that happens within your system, and it'll be based off critical, error, warning, and information. And from what I got as well, it's pretty much, if it's critical, you look into those because it's critical. So yeah, but my issue was the Simple Pass, and it's working fine now. It's not doing anything. And then yeah, so pretty much just whatever issue you have, just double click on it. It'll give you an issue, an idea of what it could have been. Like you just double click, and then this will pop up, and then it'll give you a certain description, and then just yeah, and then just type in the ID. It's event ID 0 for this one, and like let's say for this one, it's event ID 1, and then just go Google, and then it'll take you more into it. Like this one, event ID 1008. Just type it in, and then it should give you more information. I hope this was of any help, if any. I hope you resolve your issue, because it seems like I resolved mine so far, I guess. But yeah, I hope it helped out, and thanks for watching. Boom.